In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email with Email Octopus. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Email Octopus dashboard, so you can go from a blank account to a sent campaign in just a few minutes. Even if you're new to email marketing tools, don't worry, I'll explain what everything means as we go. First, once you're logged in, look at the main menu and click on Campaigns. This is the area where all of your one-off email broadcasts live. Think of campaigns as the individual emails or newsletters you send to your audience. On the Campaigns page, look for the Create button and click it. This starts the process of building a new campaign. If you don't see it right away, it's usually near the top right of the screen. Next, you'll be asked to select your contact list. This is the group of subscribers who will receive your email. Make sure the list you choose already has at least one contact in it. Otherwise, there will be no one to send the campaign to. If your list is empty, pause here and add some contacts first, then come back to creating the campaign. After you've selected your list, it's time to fill in the basic campaign details. Enter a campaign name, a subject line, and your sender information. The campaign name is mainly for your internal use, so make it something descriptive that helps you recognize the email later. The subject line is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so keep it clear and compelling. For the sender info, use a name and email address your audience will recognize and trust, which helps improve open rates and avoid spam issues. Now, you'll choose a template. Email Octopus gives you a few options here. You can pick a pre-built template, use one of your own custom templates, or start completely from scratch. If you're just getting started, a pre-built layout is often the easiest, since you can simply swap in your own text and images. Once your template is selected, you'll land in the editor. Here, edit your content to match your message and your brand. Update headings, body text, images, buttons, and links. Take a moment to check spelling, make sure all links go to the right place, and preview how it looks on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with everything, click Save and Next. On the final screen, you'll decide when to send your campaign. You can choose Send Now to deliver it immediately, or schedule to pick a specific date and time in the future. Scheduling is especially helpful if you want your email to arrive at a time when your audience is most likely to open it. After you confirm your choice, your campaign is ready, and Email Octopus will handle the rest, either sending it right away or at the scheduled time.